Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video on the channel. Now today I finished the iCarly studio. See, there's the car. These are the cushions that they have. I put a sign that says iCarly live. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this is Carly's bedroom. It's not connected to the apartment because I'm a little too lazy to do that. Even though I was able to build the studio. What kind of a picture is this? I also made Carly's burnt bedroom. Has the same door. I tried to give it like the same look or something. Yeah. Oh yeah, I also updated the apartment. I added like chairs right here. I also made the apartment bigger so I can add the tables. So I can add the table with like all the chairs and all that. I was able to do that. There's like paintings everywhere because that's how it is in the show. Also, this might be used for the remake of the episode I Got a Hot Room. Because I might be doing that. We might remake the episode I Got a Hot Room. Yeah, also I updated here. Yeah, it's with Freddy's apartment too. The red is 8 now. I think you guys already know that though. Yeah. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!